Diagnosing that a problem was due to mercury toxicity was difficult and controversial because mercury doesn't cause a specific disease in the low levels of chronic toxicity that occurs from exposure to mercury from dental fillings or from eating fish. Mercury causes problems in the body by attaching itself to wherever there's sulfur in the body. So sulfur is found in different parts of the building blocks of proteins. Mercury can cause problems literally anywhere in the body. It can affect the brain, causing problems with memory, or nervous system causing irritability or tension. It can affect the digestive system because it'll interfere with digestive enzymes and such. Mercury can also cause numbness and tingling in the fingers. Also impacting the digestive system can cause constipation. Mercury fillings can also lead to a metallic taste in the mouth. Mercury can also cause a disruption to sleep patterns.